Hi guys, Derek here. I'm doing a review of some filament I've received from 3DPrintz Limited, which are based in the UK. They do ship worldwide. The website is www.3dprints.co.uk. I will leave the link in the description below. I've been given some gold, some blue and some crystal green filament to test. Here are the results. So I was printing these at 210 on the nozzle and 40 on the bed. They came through very clear, absolutely fine. This one was only a vase, obviously spiral mode. This came out very well. Got some blue. There's a sheen to it. If you go up in temperature, you get a bit of a sheen to it as well. This benchy was the one that I'd done on my test on my live stream, and this is the benchy that came out flawlessly. This was printed on my Hypercube. This came out on my Hypercube, which I've built. Trying to, so you can see. And the crystal green. And it's like a translucent aqua green. It's a very nice colour. Once again, no stringing at all. 210 on the nozzle again, 40 on the bed. I've had no issues whatsoever. This filament was very easy to print. Quality speaks for itself. It's one of the best filaments that I've had to use. No cons whatsoever. The only time was when my Hypercube decided to die on me. That was down to the stepper driver heatsink coming off it, which I've got some more coming in the post anyway, so I'm going to get that sorted out. But as you can see, as you can hear in the background, I do have it working. Just what I'd like to say that the company has reached out to me, 3DPrintz Limited, here in the UK, and they have said to all my subscribers and to my viewers of this video, there will be a 10% discount code which I will leave in the description below for your first order, which is fantastic. So I will leave all the information in the description below for the discount code. So as I said, one of the best filament, the best filament I've had to use, well, I've used so far, and it is very, very good. I'm going to be playing around with some more, getting some more prints done. The benchy came out absolutely perfect, so I've got no issues with it whatsoever. And yes, so I've said everything I need to about the filament. Please visit their website, go and have a look, give the product a test. I mean, you'll get 10% off your first order, so it's worth giving them a go. And yeah, all good, very good. I'll just quickly show you the reels. Better is they've got these little filament holes, as you can see, and they're every quarter of the way round the filament, so you don't have much sticking out when you want to hide, when you want to save it. They come in a cardboard box, vacuum sealed with a desiccant pack. They came literally, for me, within the UK, they came the very next day. Brilliant product, absolutely brilliant. I'm hoping to get some more of this stuff and do some fairly large projects with, give or take. So, once again, 3DPrintz Limited. This filament obviously is a sample of what they do. Obviously they do a load more, and I'm going to put all the information in the description below as well. So if you like the video, please like it, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I like to sign out by saying be yourself. Alright, see you then. Bye.